First, make sure the host and doorbell are in the same LAN. Now the network is connected. Now we come to the host homepage. Top drop-down interface. Find the Smart Access Control System in all applications. Click the settings on the upper right. Find the local settings. The password here can be found in the manual. Click Address. Click Add. Select Smart Host as the device type. Enter the default group number and room number 999-1. Enter the IP address. Now it is successfully added. Now, let's see how to check the IP address of the video doorbell. Press and hold the button on the back for 3 seconds.
IP address is 192.168.0.104.
Click to return. Click Call to call the visual doorbell directly. Click on the number we just set to call. We can choose to open the door or hang up. If the doorbell wants to call the host, just click the button in the middle.
Please hold on.
You can choose to open the door, talk or hang up.
The door is open. Please come in. Call ended.